all my wonderful viewers and my wonderful subscribers who are still on this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is all about helping you grow your YouTube channel. So if you are still on this YouTube channel, I want to say big thanks to you. And if you are just coming inside the YouTube channel, you can just click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss all the videos that we will be uploading on this channel. On today's video, I'm going to be working on a video that is gonna teach you how to crop a video, that is to do the crop backgrounds here when you watch on movies or you watch on video clips, artist clips. After editing the video, some of the editors used to use this cropped black background to make it here, that is to make it a black here and black under here. So to make this, you must have to your footage when you are shooting on the camera, try to leave some little space. As you can see here, there is a little space up here, and even down here if I don't have a space. But yes, still there is a little space up here which you can use to put the black background here. So when you are filming, you have to set this before you come to the Adobe Premiere, so that when you put the black backgrounds, some of your image here, like the image here, you will miss some of the image here. Before I go to the PC, I'm just gonna tell you this. So in watching movies, you are gonna see a lot of these cropped backgrounds in a lot of these movies and video clips. So to do this, I'm gonna go to the PC and show you how to do this on the PC. So until I come back, you can still stay on tune. This is Ultimate Tips for YouTubers with Lura, your ultimate YouTuber. Yeah, I'm starting the video. Right now, we are gonna show you on how to do the crop effect. That is the black effect on the custom cinema that you used to see on cinemas, like the movies. Just check it out, very simple. I'm gonna work on this footage here you see. This footage is already been edited, but now you can see there is this title here, that is the below comment review, but there is no black background here. So I'm gonna show it to you simple. There are two ways of doing it, like the way I learned about it. There are two ways. The first way of doing it is here. You come here on title, just click on this title style, you rename this title 1, that is this. You just rename this crop background, here, you see. Use this one here, the tool, the pointer tool. From the pointer tool you come here, this icon here, the rectangle icon, just draw anything like this. If you draw anything like this, just see what I'm doing, a little bit on top of the Ultimate Media. Here you go, here you change this to black. You see it is already on black. So what you are going to do next is that copy, Control V, Control C and Control V, Control C, Control V. Then you have the copy, then you bring the other one down here. As you can see, very simple. Now we have the corrupt black background on top of this. Now the next thing you are going to do, go to the project, come bring this here. You see, now it is all over. It is all over the video now. You see the black. Those are the two black cropped background there you see on cinemas. So the other thing is that, for example, here this writings here, the writing here is not showing. What you do is now you can click on that, just highlight this, come here, you see, position this here. You can position this if you like. You can position like this, like this. If you want to increase it, come like that, you see. But here is okay. You see, this one too, this one too. You can position this one too up. Yeah. So when it is done, you can just render your project. Enter, click enter, render, and export. So that is the way to do the corrupted background. That is the black backgrounds. That is the first way. So I'm gonna teach you the second way to do it. That is the first way. Let me just X all this, delete all that. You see, it is not there anymore. So the other way to do it is that you go to effects, you type on crop. If you type on crop, then before typing crop, let me come here. Before typing crop, you can create another adjustment layer. Come here, adjustment layer. Here. Here. You can click on that and click on here crop. Come here. On the top you can make 32. On the top you can say 32. 32 is too much. As you can see, reduce it to 20. 20 is too much. Reduce it to 15. Yeah, 15 is okay. Then you come on the bottom too, right? Bottom. You click on here 15. Sorry. That is the other side. Here. That was the left. 15. You see? We had the corrupted background. That is the adjustment layer. So if this is if the adjustment is still not fitable, like it's small or it's not kind of fitable, you can just come here again. You reduce this to 12. You reduce this to 12. I'm coming, Magenyo. You can still reduce this to 10. 10. You see? It's done now. 10. 10 is fitting. You have a good one. You see? You have a good one. So that is the other way to do it, with the crop effect here, using the adjustment layer. So if you really like the video, you can still click on subscribe and watch out for our next video. This is the basics on Adobe Premiere for beginners guide. How to do the crop background, that is the black corrupted effect here, to make the video look cinematic, you know. So I want to thank you all, to all the people that have watched that video. If that video is so interesting, educative and helping to you guys, you can just click on the like button and subscribe to the channel, and watch out for more videos like this coming on this YouTube channel. Ultimate Tips for Gambia. This is Lura.